Hi there, I am Rahim and today we discuss green eyes color in Photoshop. Take copy of current layer or press Ctrl J. Apply color balance adjustment, increase midtone, highlights and shadows with green color. Now make the selection of iris with selection tool perfectly. After the selection, press Ctrl backspace and fill white in selection. Looks pretty. Increase feather and check their result. I think we need to apply Gaussian blur. Move to top options and select the filter, find blur and select Gaussian blur. Play with it and see the result. I apply 64% because it was supportive for my image. Now take the soft brush and decrease the flow to 20%. Make sure we take a mask layer, erase the additional area near the iris. Looks good. Now apply the hue and saturation adjustment, clip the mask down layer and play with hue and saturation color options. With this method we can take any interesting color of an eye. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos.